Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to design easy bracket in SolidWorks. Okay, just start it. Open SolidWorks and ensure for unit in millimeter gram second. And we start draw from top plan. So right click on top plan and click sketch. First, make two circle diameter in 24 and 50 millimeter. Select circle. Draw circle to circle. First circle have diameter in 24 and second circle diameter in 50 millimeter, like this. And don't forget in here have keyway. So first right click on center line, select center rectangle and draw from this point like this. Ensure this point, click Ctrl to the center, click make horizontal. For width in here, just input in 8 millimeter, and for this edge to this edge in distance in 27.3. So click this line, click shift on your keyboard and click hold like this. Input in 27.3 millimeter like this. So we can do trim entities for this line, this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay, it's so simple. So we can to make center line in here, to make here to here. First draw circle here, diameter in 10 millimeter to make this hole. Distance, this is this in 48. The center to this center distance in 48 millimeter. Then we can do select circle, make two circle like this. In here diameter in 10 millimeter and here radius in 9, so diameter in 18. Set in here diameter in 10 and outer circle have diameter in 18 millimeter because in here radius in 9. And don't forget distance this center to the center in 72 millimeter. Just input 72 millimeter. Right in here, 72 millimeter. Like this. Just make line to connect this circle to the circle. Select line and draw line this to this. Ensure this line, click Ctrl and click the circle. Just click make tangent. And here, this line, click Ctrl and click this circle. Just click make tangent. Then we can do mirror entities. This line and mirror about. Just click this center line. Click OK. And we can do trim entities for this and this. Just click OK. Now after we make sketch like this and input all dimension appropriate to this part, just click feature and click extrude boss or base and selected contour. First just click this sketch, and for direction change in mid plane for symmetry part here, and for thickness in here in 36 millimeter. Just input in here in 36 millimeter for depth. Click OK and click again sketch 1, click extrude boss or base. Just click this sketch. Now thickness in here in 12 millimeter, so in here input in 12 millimeter and direction in mid plane. Just click OK and done. It's so simple. So right click again on this face and click sketch to make extrude boss in here. Select circle, draw from the center and diameter in 20 millimeter, and just click convert entities. Select this edge. Just click OK. Click feature again and extrude boss or base. Direction change in blind and high in here in 7 millimeter. Just in 7 millimeter. Just click OK. It's so simple like this. And we can to make sketch in here, but first we can right click on this face and click show sketch 1 like this. Right click on front plane and click sketch. Draw line in here, this to this, and click A on your keyboard. This, this, this. Ensure this, click make tangent, and this click make tangent, and ensure this line, click Ctrl and select this line. Just click make equal. Now we can set for distance this center to this edge in 21 millimeter, and here have width in 16, and here in 16 millimeter. Sorry, we can Ctrl Z, and here in 16 millimeter like this. And don't forget to make circle on this point here, hole in 8 millimeter, in 8 millimeter like this, and distance this center hole to this face in 28. So we can see in here this center to this line, just input in 28 millimeter. You can see like this, the center to this line in 28 millimeter. After we input all dimension like this, in here just click feature and click extrude boss or base. Direction change in mid plane, and for thickness total this edge to this edge in 20 millimeter. Input in 20 millimeter and click OK. Now we can right click again on sketch 1 and click hide. Right click on this face and click sketch. We can to make cut in here. In here have width in 4 millimeter. So just select corner rectangle, draw from this edge to this edge. Ensure this midpoint and click this point or origin point. Just click make vertical. Set for width in 4 millimeter, and just click feature, click extrude cut. Direction change in up to next and click OK, and done like this. And don't forget in here all fillets in radius 1.5. So just like fillet in here, input in 1.5 millimeter for radius, and select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Now we can rotate this part, like this edge, this edge, this edge, and this edge. Don't forget in below in here this edge, like this. Appropriate this drawing like this. Fillet in this 1.5 cylinder, and just click OK. Now we can do change for color of this part. Select all feature in here and click this icon, a branches, maybe color in this color, and just click OK. Okay, I think that's enough. Thank you for watching until the end of this video. I apologize if there are any mistake of in this tutorial. How to design easy bracket in SolidWorks. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.